This is just a quick unboxing video for the new Sprint LG G6. It just came out recently. I think I'm the first one in my area to get my hands on it. Don't typically do unboxing videos, but I'm excited about this phone, so thought I'd show it off. Fingerprint reader on the back still. 2 cameras still. There's several other videos that go through all the specs, so I'm not really going to get into that. I'm just going to give you a quick view and my opinion of it. It's about the same weight as the LG G5. It does feel more sturdy than the G5. No removable back, no removable battery. I haven't logged into my Gmail yet, my Google account yet, but so this is how it comes stock from Sprint. There's a ton of bloatware on it, which I find annoying, but that's the way it goes these days. Very similar menu and everything to the G5, because my G5 was already up to date with the latest Android. So let's go take a look at the settings real quick. Yep, Android 7. It's right there. So that's cool. Still, my other one had Android 7 already too. Let's see what else is in the box. Manual. Important information. It's really not a manual. Typical little LG high-speed charger. Same wire that the LG G5 came with. It's too short in my opinion. Key to pop out the SIM card and put in your SD card. Same as the G5, where it's got the port right there for your SIM card and the SD card. Nice. This is different. There's a nice little grommet here. That's because this phone is supposed to be waterproof to a few feet. So that seals that on there. That's cool. That's different. And that's it. So yeah, there's not a whole lot to it. Basically, that's what you get. And but like I said, I'm excited about this phone. It's semi-waterproof, you know, down to a few feet for a little at a time. It's got the fingerprint reader, the 2 cameras, the wide angle and the regular. I do have a glass screen protector that I'm going to put on here. I'm excited about that. And let me show you that. So here's a screen protector I bought on eBay, and it's glass. See if I can get an angle at how thin it is. It's a good thickness, I think. Nice glass screen protector. And that's going to go on here. Just like that. That's nice. Nice full coverage glass screen protector. Covers 100% of the front of that. I was on eBay. Only, it was like less than $6 on eBay, I think. So, I haven't put it on yet, but I will later. Anyway, hope this is interesting to you. Take it easy.